Ciao e benvenuti signore e signore, I am your host Panayoti Nicolaou and this is Michelinos. About 3 weeks ago we were contacted by our client who expressed an interest to create something new, something chic, something elegante, molto elegante, with solamente 3 ingredienti. And of course we accept, and this is what we came up with. When choosing the ingredienti, it was of course important for us e per il cliente that we follow certain principles to ensure and consider the natural landscape and the overall aesthetic beauty of what we are creating. Because of this, we of course chose as the first ingredienti le banane, because the banana it has a certain yellowness, which in contrast with how you say the curve, like the circle, it makes certain horizontal lines which in turn can produce a certain beauty that cannot be found elsewhere in nature. Il prossimo ingrediente of course was naturally the tomato, because the tomato is red or rojo, and the red, as you know, is the color dell'amore. It's the color of beauty, of love, of passion. Of course it had to be in the dish. The last ingredient was perhaps the most difficult one to choose and to find, because we really needed something that would complete the whole aesthetic of what we are trying to create here. It's like you say, you cannot have the horse without the cow. And so for this we chose the potato. Now the potato is very difficult to find in the natura. In fact, you have to go deep into the Sicilian mountains, and it is produced once per year by a specific type of cow. And so we went on an expedition to find this potato, and we did. As an artista, I find it molto difficile to translate from the creative part of the mind into what you see on le piatto. And what you see on the piatto is a combinazione of many different aspects of cooking, of art, of passion. It's a combinazione of colors, of love, of aromas, and many more things which it would be impossible to elaborate to you how these come together. We start with the base of sauté patatas, and on top of this we have a layer of the most bellissimo dolce salsa di tomato. To top this off we have some sprinkles of fried and dried banana, and finalmente some parsley for the green of natura. Salud! Bellissima!